Ever struggle to find a carry bag that truly fits your Apple Vision Pro 2 while keeping it safe, stylish, and travel-ready? Today's your light bulb moment. Welcome back to the channel. We're diving into the 5 best Apple Vision Pro 2 carry bags for 2025, showing you which ones deliver protection, convenience, and flair. Check the links in the description to grab yours and elevate your gear game. Carry gear. Gear specifically designed to elevate your gear game. The number 5 product on our list is Lushandy Carrying Bag. Every traveler who owns a Vision Pro knows the struggle, protecting a premium device while keeping it sleek and easy to carry. That's where this refined carry bag steps in. Designed with precision and elegance, it offers a smooth balance between luxury and practicality. The soft felt exterior feels premium to the touch, while its structured design shields your headset from scratches, dust, and travel bumps. Among the 5 best Apple Vision Pro 2 Carry Bag 2025 options, this one stands out for its perfect fit and smart internal layout. Every accessory from your cables to cleaning cloths has a dedicated space, keeping everything neatly organized. The reinforced handle feels sturdy yet comfortable, making it ideal for everyday commutes or long trips. Compared to bulkier travel cases, this one feels lighter, more compact, and distinctly modern. It's not just storage, it's peace of mind wrapped in minimalism. If you appreciate style that serves a purpose, this carry bag gives your Vision Pro the protection it deserves while adding a subtle touch of class to your setup. At number 4 is SODI Carrying Bag. Every Vision Pro owner knows the fear of scratches, drops, or tangled cables when traveling. And that's exactly what this sleek carrying bag eliminates. Built with precision and class, it blends Apple-inspired minimalism with real-world practicality. The premium fabric exterior feels luxurious, while the durable EVA shell gives your device that peace of mind protection it deserves. Inside, the anti-shake compartment system locks your Vision Pro securely in place, keeping every accessory from the charger to the battery perfectly organized. What sets it apart among the 5 best Apple Vision Pro 2 Carry Bag 2025 picks is its thoughtful leather battery pouch, designed for hands-free freedom during long sessions. The waterproof zipper and soft interior lining make it ready for any environment, whether you're commuting, creating, or traveling abroad. Compared to bulkier cases, this one feels light yet strong, offering a premium balance of comfort and durability. It's a smart investment for those who want refined style without compromising protection. Made for users who carry tech with pride and expect their gear to look as good as it performs. The third one on our list is KIWI Carrying Bag. There's something instantly reassuring about a carry bag that looks as premium as the device it protects. And this one nails that feeling. Crafted for those who value both style and safety, it perfectly captures what makes the 5 best Apple Vision Pro 2 Carry Bag 2025 lineup so impressive. The high-density PC shell and refined superfiber leather exterior make it feel solid yet sophisticated, while the plush interior offers a gentle, cushioned embrace for your Vision Pro and accessories. You can tell every detail was engineered with purpose, from its durable dual zippers that glide smoothly to its clever compartment layout that keeps controllers, cables, and adapters neatly in place. It's splash-proof, dust-proof, and surprisingly lightweight, making it just as reliable for travel as it is for home storage. Compared to other cases, this one balances protection and portability with exceptional precision. For anyone who wants a blend of elegance, practicality, and peace of mind, this carry bag turns everyday protection into something that feels truly premium and thoughtfully designed for the modern Apple ecosystem. And number 2 is Syntech Hard Carrying Bag. Every creator who's ever carried a Vision Pro knows that one careless drop or bump can turn excitement into panic, and that's exactly why this hard carrying bag exists. It's built not just to store, but to safeguard. Crafted with a premium 3-layer composite shell, it delivers that unbeatable mix of strength, water resistance, and modern elegance that defines the 5 best Apple Vision Pro 2 Carry Bag 2025 lineup. Inside, everything has a place. Your headset, battery, bands, and cables fit with near-perfect precision, held steady by elastic straps that stop movement even during bumpy rides. The mesh pocket adds flexible storage for small essentials, while the soft lens cover gives your optics the protection they deserve. Compared to softer fabric cases, this one feels more reliable for frequent travelers who need impact protection without the bulk. It's sleek, structured, and built for those who carry their tech like professionals, confidently and securely. If you value peace of mind every time you move with your Vision Pro, this case isn't just smart. It's essential for your modern creative workflow. Now, moving to the last one is ANNAPRO B1 Hard Carrying Bag. When you invest in a Vision Pro, you don't just need storage, you need protection that matches its brilliance. This hard carrying bag delivers exactly that, wrapping your gear in a design that feels as premium as it looks. Its upgraded knitted fabric and solid EVA shell instantly stand out, blending durability with elegance that earns its place among the 5 best Apple Vision Pro 2 Carry Bag 2025 lineup. Inside, every inch feels intentional. Dedicated compartments keep your headset straps and cables neatly secured, while the lens pad and mesh pockets prevent clutter and scratches. What truly makes it shine is its thoughtful space, solving the age-old problem of fitting third-party head straps without compromise. Compared to others, it feels more structured, refined, and travel-ready. The dual zippers glide smoothly, the reinforced handle feels sturdy, and the overall craftsmanship speaks of long-term reliability. It's perfect for professionals, creators, and travelers who want peace of mind, knowing their setup is safe, stylish, and always ready to move. This isn't just a carry case, it's the finishing touch to your Vision Pro experience. So guys, this was the video about the 5 best Apple Vision Pro 2 Carry Bag 2025. All the links are given in the description. Do check them out. If you enjoyed the video, be sure to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thank you!